Hey guys, welcome back to the Mountain Wizard. What if I could help you eliminate a bill from your house? I'm talking about your water bill. And today we're going to go over a little DIY system that anybody can do with a little sweat equity, and is going to save the average household over $1,000 a year. Hit the subscribe button and follow along. Hey, all right, so I think we can all agree bills suck, especially ones that you don't need to pay, and your water bill is one of them. According to the EPA, the average household is spending $1,000 a year or more, which is going to be about $60,000 over the course of a lifetime, and the prices are only going to go up. But look, you don't have to be on city water. You can use a simple rainwater system to water your garden, water your livestock, have a pond, or if you want to filter it, send it on back up to your house, like I've been doing for the last 7 years with no water bill at all. All right, so you're thinking you might want to give this a try. Look, here's the deal. This is the down and dirty brief description of it. I've got full playlist videos, link in the description, also in this video somewhere, and you can follow along. But here's your gutter, okay? We got an adapter there. We're going to hook into a 4-inch pipe. We're going to take it down, trenched it in the ground, all right? So you're just going to use a pick, shovel, go underground. It keeps it cleaner. You can mow over top of it, all right? We're going to come up here. That's it, into the top of the tank. We teed in right here, or go up and into the top. Okay, so here's the other one. We're coming out of the bottom of the gutter. We're going to come down. We're going to tee. There's a cap on the bottom where we can drain out debris. We're going into the top of the tank. Come down here. And then we just put on 2 garden hose faucets. And now we can hook up the garden hose and they're going to gravity feed out to a water dish or bucket or whatever. Here's another. Comes out of the gutter system, down to the ground, comes over, trenched it, comes into the top of this 2,500 gallon tank right here. Banjo fitting and a faucet screws into that, and now you're holding water. It's super simple. All right, this is complete DIY. You can start small. You want to start with a 55-gallon drum? Right on. You want to start with a 200-gallon water containment tank? Heck yeah. You want to go to a 3,000-gallon tank? Like this one here? Once you start, you're going to realize there's no stopping you. When I got here, I built this house and found that we weren't going to have a reliable water source. I set out to cure that mission on my own, that problem. This is what I did. 7 years later, family of 5, shower every night, run a dishwasher, laundry, all that stuff, all off of rainwater systems that we just expand on year by year as needed. We're in the Midwest, so we're not getting a ton of rain. We average 49 inches a year. So certainly not shabby, right? But you can do this. You live in a wetter climate, you're not going to need near the storage that I have. And if nothing else, if it's just supplementing your water bill and now you're not needing it to water the chickens, you're not needing to use the city water to water the livestock, you're growing your garden off the rainwater, you're saving water, or you're saving money, and you're becoming more self-reliant by the day. You can do this. Look, it's not an overnight thing. Self-reliance is a step-by-step deal, okay? But if we can help you save over $1,000 a year or $60,000 in a lifetime for the average household, like, I feel like it makes all the sense in the world to become more self-reliant. I did not start with where I'm at today, okay? But now I've got it set up where we've got 5,000 gallons here just for the garden alone. We take care of all our livestock, all the quail, chickens, goats, sheep, cattle, any of that we've had, okay? All of this garden, all these rows of strawberry plants, all these 24 buckets of potatoes that we've got here, all right? I got 20 raised beds. Not all of them are in production at the moment, but we do have them, okay? All of this is all taken care of with rainwater. It's not an overnight deal, but you need to start somewhere. So get started now. Check out my playlist. All right. I've been doing this for 7 years. I'm off today to go install another system for somebody else. Total DIY. You can do this. Anybody can do this. Start small, scale it up over time. Check out my playlist, link in the description. Follow along on the other videos. Hit like if this was able to help you. Let me know, what is your average bill? Is the EPA accurate? Are we paying $1,000 a year? I don't know. I haven't ever paid a water bill. I've been kind of hooked up like this, and it's worked out really well. Subscribe, follow along. I'd love to show you more of what I got going on here at the homestead. Mountain Wizard out. See you guys.